channel. Nababasa po namin lahat ng mga comments nyo on our previous videos and we really appreciate it. So, thank you so much po. And if you are also new in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell para always po kayo updated on our future videos. Hello guys, welcome back again to Travel Again Food and Empire. So this video we will be making another food vlog. So the last time we make a food vlog, I guess it was about tiramisu, and that was last month, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So today we'll be making another food vlog. Kung bago pa po kayo dito sa channel namin, kindly check our videos below. We do some travel and food vlogs here, also some lifestyles of living here in Germany. And before we started po, let me just try to introduce to you guys. I am a Filipina living in Germany and he is a German. So today's vlog we will be making a Filipino dessert which is I really love, and if there's an occasion in the Philippines I always do this dessert. I always make this dessert. So it's named mango flute, and there's a different version of this that I've saw in YouTube, but today I'm gonna share to you my own version. So I have to use a Graham biscuits. That's it. That's the Graham biscuits, and of course our mango. Our mango. I already cut them out. Some Nestle cream and condensed milk. What we're going to add now is the Evaporated. So I am also using, guys, Evaporated. Yeah, those are Evaporated. I also use Evaporated milk instead of water. You can also do water or Evaporated, but I prepared Evaporated milk. And since we don't have also a crushed grahams, so we will going also. So then we're going to do it. So there you could crush your own grahams, or we will use some mixer. Is this mixer or what? Yeah, we will be using a mixer to crush the graham. So let's get started now. We didn't find here in Germany crushed grahams already, so then we're going to crush the grahams or the biscuit by itself using this one. So we will show it to you. You could do it also by yourself. In the Philippines, I only do it like this. I always use the Coca-Cola bottle to crush the grahams. But here in Germany, they're a little bit high than the Philippines. They're more integrated than Philippines, so we're going to use this. So let's first we have to unpack the biscuits and then try to cut them into half or 3 and put them inside. Yes, and 3 slices. So we try it. Does it how many? Guys, try it now. So this could be a little bit louder. So. No, more.
More?
Can I see? Yeah, I'll put it here. I will try first 2 cans of this Nestle cream, all-purpose cream, and then 1 can condensed milk, and our evaporated. So let's try it.
Kain plato.
A few moments later.
Mac?
So yun lang guys, just put it one overnight in the freezer and then remove 2 hours prior or before you're going to eat. Just put it in the fridge. So 1 overnight in the freezer and then at least 2 hours in the fridge for just before you eat that. So yun lang, I'm gonna write it down on the descriptions below or ingredients. Sundan nyo lang po yung ginawa natin. Panoorin nyo lang po yung videos ko. It's really easy lang naman talaga kung nakita nyo. So anyways, I'm gonna write down also in the descriptions below yung mga ingredients na ginamit natin para sa mango fruit natin. So guys, thank you so much po for all the support na binibigay nyo sa Carabao Food and Empire channel. Nababasa po namin lahat ng mga comments nyo on our previous videos and we really appreciate it. So thank you so much po, and if you are also new in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell para always po kayo updated on our future videos. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, kindly hit like and share to your friends or in your Facebook and your other social media. Also please leave a comment. Thank you so much for everything and see you again on our next vlog. Bye! I'm the BS better. Roast. Just wait a minute.